Welcome students. A day before yesterday we discussed about the relations. You should be clear about the relations, then you can start the further new topic functions. It is related with the relation. So what is a function? Today we discuss about the functions. A special type of the relation. It is also a relation. One of the relation is called a function. A relation f from a to set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of the set A has one and only one image in the set B. There are two conditions. First, set A के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उन सभी की इमेजेस बनेंगी, कोई भी एलिमेंट बचेगा नहीं. सेकंड कंडीशन, ईच एलिमेंट शुड हैव वन एंड ओनली वन इमेज. एक एलिमेंट्स की एक से ज़्यादा इमेज नहीं बनेगी. दो एलिमेंट्स की सेम इमेज बन सकती है लेकिन एक एलिमेंट्स की दो इमेजेस नहीं बनेंगी. दैट इज अबाउट फंक्शन. इट इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ द रिलेशन. A relation f from set A to set B is said to be a function. What is the condition? Every element of the set A has one and only one image in set B. In other words, we can say a function f is a relation from non-empty set A to a non-empty set B such that the domain of f is A. पहली कंडीशन थी कि सभी एलिमेंट्स ए की इन्वॉल्व होंगे, तो सो द डोमेन विल बी ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द सेट ए एंड नो टू डिस्टिंक्ट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर इन द फंक्शन हैव द सेम फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट की एक ही इमेज बनेगी, तो इसलिए जो भी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर लेंगे हम फंक्शंस के अंदर उसमें क्या कंडीशन होगी? नो टू डिस्टिंक्ट ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स इन फंक्शन हैव द सेम फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. फर्स्ट एलिमेंट किसी भी ऑर्डर्ड पेयर का सेम नहीं होगा बिकॉज ईच एलिमेंट विल हैव इट्स वन एंड ओनली वन इमेज. द फंक्शन f फ्रॉम a to b is denoted by f such that a to b, a arrow b, that is representation of the function. For example, let n be the set of the natural numbers and the relation R is defined on n such that relation is given in the set builder form ordered pair xy such that y is twice of the x. means second element range का जो एलिमेंट है वो डोमेन के एलिमेंट का डबल है. y is twice of 2x. x and y belongs to natural number. Now what is the domain, range and codomain of this relation? Now is this relation a function? Now domain of R is the set of all the natural numbers. सभी की जो y, when we put x is equal to 1, y will be 2. When we put x is equal to 2, y will be 4. Similarly 3, y will be 6. y will be double of the x. So the domain will all be the natural numbers, set of all the natural numbers. And what is the range? Range is a set of the even natural numbers. जितने भी इमेजेस बनेंगी वो क्या होंगी? even natural numbers होंगी. So the range relation will be ordered pair 1 2, 2 4, 3 6, 4 8 and so on. Since every natural number n has one and only one image, therefore the relation is a function. Similarly, you have given some relations, you have to check whether it is a function or not. In this example, the first relation is 2 1, 3 1, 4 2. In each ordered pair, the first element is different. 2, 3, 4. That is the condition. The 2 form the image 1, 3 form the image 1. मैंने आपको बोला है कि दो एलिमेंट्स की सेम इमेज हो सकती है. 2, 3, 4. एरो डायग्राम से इसको क्लियर करते हैं. 1, 2. 2 form a single image 1. 3 also form the image 1. 4 form the image 2. पहली कंडीशन, all the elements of the set first involved in this relation. Second condition, each element should have the unique image. 2 की भी एक इमेज बन रही है, 3 की भी एक इमेज बन रही है, 4 की भी एक इमेज बन रही है. So this relation is a function. Both the conditions fulfilled. Similarly, R is equal to 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. See carefully. The first element is 2 in the first ordered pair. The second element is also 2. First element in the second order pair is also 2. And the condition is that the first element should not be repeated. So the 2 having 2 images, 2 also form the image 2, 2 also form the image 4. So it is not a function. One element should have only one image. Similarly, in this 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Each element having unique image. So this relation is a function. Now I think it is clear to you. Now in the arrow diagram, next example, arrow diagram is given. Check whether this relation is a function or not. 1 having image 2, 2 having 3, each element having a unique image. First condition is fulfilled, but the second condition failed. All the elements of the set A should be involved in this relation, means should have only one and only one image. Here 6 having no image. So this is not a function. Similarly, in this arrow diagram, 9 form the image 3 and minus 3. 4 related with 2 and minus 2. 25 related with 5 and minus 5. Here, the first condition, all the elements of A involved. But the second condition fails. Which condition? Each element should have a unique image. Here 9 having 2 images. 4 having 2 images, 25 having 2 images. So this relation is not a function. I think it will be clear to you. Now, some functions and their graphs. Very simple. You have already discussed in junior classes. First is identity function. Identity function. Let R be the set of the real numbers and the function f from real to real by y equal to x. Y or fx, same meaning. We write function fx or y, same thing. So y equal to x, or x belongs to real. In this, such a function is called identity function. Here the domain and range of the f are all reals. So the graph is a straight line. So y is equal to x. When we make the table for this is the identity function. x की वैल्यू लेंगे वही y की आएगी. 2 लेंगे तो 2 आएगी. -1 लेंगे -1 आएगी. 2 लेंगे 2 आएगी. So when we plot the graph, 1 पे 1, 2 पर 2, -1 पर -1, -2 पर -2, 0 पर 0. So we always get a straight line passing through the origin. That is the identity function. Now constant function, ये भी आपने पहले कर रखा है. y is equal to any constant. y or fx, that is same thing. So we write either y or fx. Let f be the function from real to real. Y is equal to c. C stands for any constant. X belongs to real. So c is the constant. Domain of the f function will be all real and its range will be constants. हमेशा c ही आएगा. For each and every value of x, y will always be that constant. For example, I am taking the function y is equal to 3. So when we plot the graph of y is equal to any constant, the graph is always parallel to the x-axis. Y is equal to any constant. For each value of x, f will be same. When we taking x0, y will be 3. When we taking x1, y will be 3. When we taking x2, y will be 3. 3, 3 and so on. So when we plot the graph, it will be parallel to the x-axis. That is the constant function. After that, third function is पोलिनोमियल, ये भी आपने कर रखे हैं. पोलिनोमियल फंक्शंस, यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड इन क्लास 9th and 10th about the polynomial. Y is equal to any polynomial. Fx is equal to x cube minus x square plus 2. What is the condition for the polynomial? ये मैट्रिक में भी आपने पढ़ा हुआ है. The exponent should always be a positive natural number. Should be a positive natural number. So f, similarly x square plus, this is a coefficient. Coefficients may be in radical, root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. But the variables should not be in radical form. So it is also example of the polynomial. Here the third, x raised to power 2 by 3. This is in fraction plus 2x. It is not a polynomial function. So simple polynomials, these will be the polynomial functions. Here I am taking the example y is equal to x square. So it is an example of the polynomial function. Now complete the table. You are given a table, then you have to find the domain, range of the function, then draw its graph. So here y is equal to x square. When we are taking x is equal to minus 4, so put the value of x here. So y is equal to minus 4 square. So that will be 16. Squares are always positive. Similarly, when we put x is equal to minus 3, we get 9. Minus 2 का square 4. Minus 1 square 1. 0 square 0. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. So and so on. What is the domain? All the real numbers. X such that x belongs to real numbers. And what is the range? X square. X belongs to real number. Square of the number, that will be the range. If we are taking x is equal to minus 4, it will be square of minus 4. Minus 3, square of minus 3, and so on. When we plot the graph, now here I will try to plot the graph from this table. Value minus 4 to 16. Minus 4. 16 ऊपर तक जाएगा, ग्राफ ऊपर तक ले जाएंगे, लाइक दिस यहाँ पे आएगा. सिमिलरली minus 3 9. minus 3 9 ऐसे आएगा. minus 2 4. minus 1 1. 0 0. 1 1. 2 4. 3 9. 4 16. So when we join this, we get a curved graph like this. Such type of the graph is called a parabola. Later on we will discuss on the 11th chapter parabola. So just plotation of the graph of the polynomial, that is polynomial function. Now after that, fourth one is rational functions. From name it is clear, you have already studied in class 10th the function of type fx upon gf. रेशनल नंबर्स लेते थे, यहाँ पे पोलिनोमियल्स होंगे ऊपर नीचे, तो वो क्या बन जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर विल बी इन द पोलिनोमियल फॉर्म. दैट सच फंक्शंस आर कॉल्ड रेशनल फंक्शंस. fx and gx are the polynomial function. The condition is gx should not be equal to 0. Denominator should not be 0, because then it becomes infinity. So I am taking the example fx is equal to 1 by x. 1 is also a polynomial. Every constant is a polynomial of degree 0. So here we can consider 1 is a polynomial. X is a polynomial of degree 1. So x is not equal to 0. So f function such that r minus except 0 to all real numbers. Complete the table. Then we same put the values. Fy is equal to 1 by x. X is minus 2. So when we put x is equal to minus 2, 1 by minus 2. When we solve it, we get 0.5 with minus. 0.5 with minus. Similarly, we put x is equal to minus 1.5. Simplify it, we get minus 0.67. Minus 1, it will be minus 1. Minus 0.5. So minus 0.5. When we remove the decimal, it becomes 10. So it will be 2. So minus 2. Similarly, 1 upon 0.25. Cancelled, we get 4. We get 2. 1.5. Plot the graph. So domain, all the real numbers except 0. Range, all the real numbers except 0. Graph of x is, plot the graph, -2, this is -2, the y is 0.5, minus 0.5 downwards यहाँ पे. Similarly -1.5, this one its value is -0.67. ये अगर हम भरना है तो यहाँ से just above. -1 1 like this. -0.5 to -2, -0.5 पे -2, and so when we join this we get like curve like this. Similarly upwards, positive के लिए -2.5 here, its value is 4. minus 0.5 here 2, 1 1 2, this is 2.5 here, this one same way graph like this. Two separate curves for this rational functions. Now the fifth one is modulus function. Modulus or absolute. Mod of x, like this, mod of x. Now the function f, real to real, defined by fx is equal to these two bars that represent the modulus function x. For each x belongs to real is called a modulus function. Modulus can never be negative. So means when we put the positive modulus of 1, it will be 1. Modulus of -1, it will also be 1, negative of the given value. So each non-negative value of x, fx is equal to x. Same आएगा. For negative value of x, the value of the fx will be positive, that is negative of the given value. If we put a modulus of -2, so negative of the -2, it will be 2. Means we always consider the positive. Modulus can never be negative. So the graph will be same like this. When we put taking the modulus of 0, it will be 0. When we taking the modulus of -1, it will be 1. Modulus of -2, it will be 2. Modulus of 1, it will be 1. Modulus of 2, it will be 2. Positive. So when we plot the graph, 0 0, -1 1, -2 2, 1 1, 2 2, like this. You get the graph like V. This is the graph for the modulus functions. Then the last one is greatest integer function. This is new one. What is the greatest integer function? The function f, real to real, defined by fx is equal to, in the square bracket we write x. What is the meaning of this? It represents the greatest integer function. X belongs to real, assuming that the value of the greatest integer less than equal to x. What is the meaning of this? Here I am taking the example, modulus of x is -1 when x will be greater than equal to -1, less than 0. Means, for example, you having a number line this one. Here it is 0. On the left side it is -1, -2, and so on. On the right hand side, let it be 1, it will be 2. For each value of x is greater than equal to -1, less than 0, means greatest integer of -1, it will be -1 itself. What is the greatest integer of -0.5? See carefully on the number line. Here it will be -0.5. On the left side of this value, the integer belongs to -1. So the left side of the integer will always be the greatest integer. Its value will be -1. Similarly, if I consider -0.75, -0.75 के जस्ट लेफ्ट में कौन सा इंटीजर आ रहा है? -1. तो जो कंप्लीट लेफ्ट साइड में इंटीजर आएगा वो उसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी. सिमिलरली अगर x 0 और 1 के बीच में, इट्स वैल्यू विल ऑलवेज बी 0, क्योंकि 0 और 1 के बीच में जितने भी वैल्यूज लेंगे उसके लेफ्ट इंटीजर क्या आएगा, 0, सो इट्स वैल्यू विल ऑलवेज बी 0. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम टेकिंग 0.6 lies on the number line here, this one. So on the left side the integer will be 0, so its value will be 0. Left side integer, that will be the value of this greatest integer function. Similarly अगर x 2 और 3 के बीच में है, 2 और 3 के बीच में क्या लेंगे, ये मान लो ये 2 है, ये 3 है, तो यहाँ 2 और 3 के बीच में कोई भी वैल्यू लेंगे उसके लेफ्ट इंटीजर क्या आएगा, 2. तो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू हैविंग 2.25, so its value will be 2.25, the left side integer will be 2, so its value will be 2, and so. Algebra of the functions, it is very simple. Addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, you already performed in the junior classes. We can add two functions, we can subtract two functions, divide two functions, multiplied by two functions. Here example, fx is x square, gx is equal to 2x plus 1. You have to find f plus gx, means addition of the two functions. F plus gx can also be written as fx plus gx, same thing, addition of the two functions. So fx plus gx will be, put the value x square plus 2x plus 1, it will be the answer. Similarly subtraction will be there, multiplication, you can perform the multiplication, you can divide in rational functions. Now you can try exercise 2.3. Tomorrow I will solve the exercise 2.3 complete. I will send you the video of the exercise 2.3. Thank you.